guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got this holiday glam makeup look. If you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. I'm going in with the MAC 224 brush and dipping into Soft Brown by MAC. Using this as my transition shade, I'm just going to buff it into the crease. And whatever's left over on the brush, I just work it into this inner corner as well. With a Morphe M433 brush, I'm going into Cherry Cola by Makeupgeek. And going into my outer crease, I'm just gonna pack that shade on. And whatever's left over on my brush, I start to work it into my crease as well, but below the soft brown shade. I picked up some more Cherry Cola and I'm just gonna pack it on in the outer corner. And you want to keep this low and tight to the lash line. And just in that corner right here. Whatever's left over on the brush, you just want to work it into that crease again, just so it's all faded out. For my MAC 224 brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges of what we laid down. Picking up some more Cherry Cola. And going into the crease again. And just keep blending it out so it's really diffused. Now I'm going into Razy by Colourpop. And I'm just gonna put this in the same area but a little bit lower than the Cherry Cola we used. And whatever's left over, I'm just gonna work it into my crease again. You wanna keep everything low so it's really faded and blown out. Going back in with my 224 brush, just blending the edges again. I'm going back in with Razy and packing some more on my outer corner because we blended it off a little bit. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm just gonna clean underneath. Now taking some of my MAC 24 Hour Concealer in NC15. And with the MAC 242 brush, I'm just coating both sides. With this, we're gonna cut the crease. With another brush, like a detail brush, I'm just gonna soften the edges. That way it's easier to blend. With a MAC 289 brush, I'm dipping into Nylon by MAC. And I'm just gonna press that eyeshadow on top of the concealer. And you want to make sure that you're not going over that line we created. Picked up some Cherry Cola and now I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner. Very lightly. Mixing it in with nylon. And I picked up some Razy too, and I'm just gonna put it in that lower outer corner. Going in with Stilla Diamond Dust. I wiped off the excess and I'm just gonna apply a light layer on top of the nylon eyeshadow. Just for a little pop of glitter. With Kat Von D Trooper Liner, I'm going to line my lash line and also create a wing. With my Covergirl mascara, I'm just going to coat my lashes. I am going to apply false lashes afterwards, but you don't have to. And off camera, I'm going to do my face routine, and I'm also going to apply some Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I went ahead and did my foundation routine and put the Demi Wispy lashes on. Next we're going to dip into Soft Brown by MAC. Tap off my brush and I'm going underneath. With a Morphe M213, I'm dipping into Cherry Cola. And I picked up a little bit of Razy too. Just basically doing what we did on the top to the bottom. And I'm just blending it in. Now I'm going in with a nude eyeliner. This is really going to open up the eyes and make them look bigger. I'm going in with MAC Extended Play mascara for my bottom lashes. I'm applying MAC Nylon to the inner corners of my eyes. And this really opens up the eyes, and I'm also applying it to my brow bone. I'm going in with MAC Desert Rose blush. With a Morphe M504, I'm dipping into Oh Darling by MAC highlighter. Then I'm just blending everything out and melting those together. I'm going to use MAC Soar lip liner. Now I'm using MAC Cream Cup lipstick. And Madeline Butter Gloss by NYX. Okay guys, that completes this look. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos each week. And I'll catch you in my next video. Happy holidays, bye!